Alright guys, I'm done for the night. I just rested the shelter and the seat on for now. But all the electrical is pretty much done. I just got to zip tie a couple more things. I wanted to show you guys a little walk around of what I got so far. The COSO digital gauge is all working. I don't know if this is going to zoom in right, but you got miles per hour, you got RPMs, you got water temperature, fuel. It's got idiot lights on the top, neutral lights, turn signals. So over here on the hand controls, the high beams work, on, off, turn signals. You got the front, you got the LEDs on the back, you got the lights, all of that fun stuff. The brakes work, or I'm sorry, the brake lights work. All right, I still gotta install the brakes. I gotta go through the calipers. They're on my workbench. But here's the fun stuff. I got a little secret kill switch right over here behind the frame. And the LEDs are working. I got those all mounted up. Came with 8 pieces of LED. So I got the big one on the engine, I got a tiny one on the front, and I got 2 medium ones on the back on each side. Comes with a little nifty remote, so you can change the color. You can put it into disco style once you get through the 16 colors. Where is it? There it goes. You can have it fade and breathe through all the colors. You can change it to flash. You can push and hold to have it change the speed of the breathing. You can also set it to, what is it called? Music mode, where this little sensor will react to sound. That toggle switch has a microphone in it. Oh yeah, the coolest part is that I hooked up the LEDs to the handbrake, or to the brake line rather. So whenever you push the brakes, the whole bike goes red. It's a nice little safety feature. Let me turn off the turn signal so you can get a really good view of that. Again, pull the brake or step on the brake, doesn't make a difference. The whole bike will go red. Really nice. Lights up the night. You're really visible. Especially on this bike because it's really dark. The whole bike is black. The only thing you have is that big headlight and this really tiny tail light. That's the only thing that you have. If you didn't have these LEDs, it would be really hard to see. So that's it. I'm calling it night. I still gotta do exhaust. Still gotta put fluids in the bike. I gotta come up with a mount for the seat. I don't like those brackets. They were little aluminum things and they're too far forward. I gotta move those back or come up with a different mount for it. I still need front brake lines to come in. I still have to go through the calipers that I have on my workbench over there. They're not mounted. But everything else seems to be buttoning up really, really nice. That's it. Later.